Get your father toasted almond bar, and get your brother icy, and get yourself vanilla cone, and bring back my team. You catch all that shit and run down the street, top speed, chasing the ice cream truck going, ice cream! Ice cream man always drove an extra block though. And I know he's seen us and shit, but I think he just be in the car with his friends saying, watch me make how fast I make this motherfucking car. You be behind him doing 50 grand, ice cream! You stop, you be all went out of Winston. Ice cream man, can I have this? I want this over here, and a toast on by my father, and give me this ice over here, and vanilla cone. Thank you, ice cream man. Thank you, ice cream man. Thank you. And you get your ice cream. I get my ice cream. I remember I'll get my ice cream. I didn't eat it. I just ate it for a little while. I have some ice cream. I have some ice cream, and I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna eat it all. The ice cream be running all down your arm and shit. Yeah. Ice cream, I'm going to eat up my ice cream. No, there's one kid on the side, they get no ice cream. The kids don't care. They go, you don't have no ice. You didn't get none. You didn't get none. You didn't get none. You didn't get none. 'Cause you are on the welfare. Join in, you can't afford it, you can't afford it. And his father is an alcoholic. Here's the ice. He wants to eat some of my ice cream, but wanna lick? Psych, you want some ice cream? You want some ice cream? I'm going to eat all of my ice cream. You cannot have some, you can't. I can drop my ice cream in a pile of shit and eat it. I mean, it's just sprinkles, like sprinkles. Don't let your mother catch you doing that nasty shit, though. My mother caught me doing that, she'd make you put it down 1 cent. Put that back on the floor. And you drop that shit quick. I wouldn't go eat it.